Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we will talk about the chef job. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What does a chef do?
The chefs cook fruit and parent meal for people in the restaurant.
Where does a chef work?
The chefs work in a restaurant, hotel, or kitchen.
What clothes does a chef wear?
Chefs wear a white coat, a tall hat, and sometimes an apron.
What kind of food can a chef cook?
Chef can cook rice, soup, noodle, meat, and many kinds of dessert.
What tool does a chef use in a kitchen?
The chefs use knife, spoon, oven, the kitchen.
What do you see in the kitchen?
In the kitchen, I see a stove, fridge, sink, and many cooking tools.
What time does a chef usually start work?
The chefs usually start work in the morning and something work at night.
How does a chef have people?
The chefs have people by making delicious food for them to eat.
Do you want to be a chef in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, I want to be a chef because I love cooking and try new food.
What are some good qualities of a chef?
A good chef is everything plan and food when cooking.
Thank you very much for your answers. That's the end of your speaking test. You did a great job. Have a nice day.